So I've made it to Tent City and I'm all checked in. They told me that it's really, really hot and they were surprised that I booked a non-AC tent. And I don't think it was an upsell. I think they were just trying to make sure I'd be comfortable. But I've decided to go with it. I do have a fan, so I think I can find a way to survive. The itinerary is a little different than I thought for today because it's so hot. Most of the stuff's going to start later, so I've got time now to have lunch and relax. But yeah, let me give you a tour of my tent. Okay, so I am in tent F13. Got myself a nice little sun chair to sit on, and let's go see what it looks like on the inside. So here we go. Double bed. Got my own lamp for the evenings, and there's a light up here. Have a nice little wardrobe. Little dining area, I guess, so I can have tea. And then my ensuite. Here we go. So my little toilet, sink, and shower for a bucket shower, and lotions and everything. So yeah, pretty cool. I am here for 2 nights, 3 days, and I'm gonna go get settled in and go see what the lunch looks like. Okay, so I'm just on a sightseeing tour here from Tent City. They've organized it. Just got off the bus back there. Definitely the only foreigner part of this tour, but that's totally fine. Our first stop here is the dam, and it looks like we're at the top of the dam. So gonna walk up and see what it looks like. Here we go. So this dam is a gravity dam. It's on the Narmada River. 4 Indian states, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Rajasthan, receive water and electrical supplies from this dam, which is pretty cool. And it was started originally, first building it was April 5th, 1961. So of all the 30 dams on this river, it is the largest one. And it's actually one of the largest dams in the world, supposedly. If you listen carefully, you can hear all of the humming from all the electricity that this dam is creating. There's quite a lot of chatting right now, so you might not be able to hear it. You can hear it at Tent City as well, because all these lines run right across, and so it has this constant buzz and hum. Continues here as well. I've learned how to say in Hindi, "Pahai muja YouTube pe subscribe karo," which means when someone asks me for a selfie, first subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I just tried it out and it worked. So I'm sure this whole weekend here, because it's quite a tourist, domestic tourist destination, will be quite good for subscribers. Our second stop on this tour is the Valley of Flowers. Now it is quite hot right now and nowhere near monsoon, so there's a good chance there might not be that many flowers, but we will go see how many that they've got. You can also see the dam again behind us, a different view. Okay, so I'm just here at the Statue of Unity here for sunset. They've got it all lit up. There's supposed to be a light and sound show starting probably after all of these guys finish making noise. I'm not sure. We're just gonna hang around and see what it looks like.
1857 में अंग्रेजों को ललकारने वाले पहले स्वतंत्रता संग्राम के एक सक्रिय सिपाही थे झवेर भाई पटेल। करमसद गांव के इस बहादुर देशभक्त किसान और उनकी पत्नी लाडमाई के 5 बेटों और 1 बेटी में से चौथे पुत्र थे वल्लभ भाई। बालक वल्लभ ने करमसद के बाद नडियाद से अपनी हाई स्कूल की शिक्षा पूरी की। फिर 13 साल की उम्र में उनकी शादी भी हो गई छोटी सी झवेर बाई से। 2 बच्चों बेटी मणिबहन और बेटे डाया भाई को जन्म देने के बाद झवेर बाई असमय ही चल बसी।
So that was the light show, which just ended with the national anthem. Really cool. I believe it talked a lot about how the statue was built. I'll have to see if I can get some of it translated. But yeah, they did mention engineers, and I know my friend Avinash was one of those who helped out on the start of this project. Okay, so it's just a little before 6 a.m. here at Tent City, and I'm up for a morning nature hike. Oh, it is beautiful temperature out right now, so probably just like high 20s, low 30s. I know it's going to get up to over 40 again today, so that's why there's nature hike in the morning. So let's go see where they're taking me. I believe I'm the only person doing this, so I'm gonna get a private tour possibly. But I'll get to see the beautiful surroundings for sunrise. Going up there. Perfect. Okay, so we've hiked up from down here in this parking lot area up a staircase all the way up to here so that you can see the dam. The moon is still out, but the sun is starting the sun is starting to come up over the hills. And then if you follow from the dam all the way down the river, you can see the statue. Okay, so I've just been told that this is India's 2nd largest dam. The largest one is actually in Punjab, and the initiative to build this dam was undertaken by Sardar Patel, which is why his statue is facing the dam. So it's almost 7 a.m. here, and the sun is finally up. It's just so quiet and peaceful. You can just hear the birds and then the hum of the electricity going through the wires. Thank you. Last day here at Tent City, heading out today in a car to go see a palace and a temple. Okay, we're at this palace. They're just trying to show us the way to the museum section, I think. And I keep hearing people say something about Rajput or Rajasthan, so I think the person who designed this requested, I believe, was the widow of a prominent Rajput man, even though we're in Gujarat. Hey bunnies. So cute. So a deck of playing cards that's all the old Indian states before unity. Oh, so sad. Tiger. This is the hunting room of the museum. Another tiger head. Lots of cheetahs. This whole tour is in Hindi, so I'm just learning what I can base off of photos. Check out these toys. Popsicle stick house, just like we'd make at home. That's hilarious. Currency made into like a necklace that they wear, or like a collar. Huh. Okay, so as a foreigner, it cost me 40 rupees to come and see all the museums here of this palace. Interesting, but probably wouldn't put it on the must-see list, but as I have the day to kill, it's worth coming and checking out. So now it's off to a temple. Museum and temple tour completed. So it turns out there was one more temple on our tour. Maybe we're stopping a few other things, who knows? We'll just see. Everything's in Hindi, so I'm not sure. Goodbye, tent city. Okay, so I'm just waiting for my bus here at the Statue of Unity to head back to Vadodara to catch a night sleeper bus to Udaipur. And the police have let me sit in their shelter with them while I wait, and they've confirmed I'm in the right spot for this bus. There it is, that's the bus I need. This bus is supposed to be almost full, and as you can see, it's completely empty. The police flagged it down for me and told me this is the one. And then after a lot of discussion back and forth with the conductor, it sounds like this wasn't supposed to be the bus, that maybe the other bus left early. I saw another bus with the same name go like shooting by like 2 minutes ago. So all I know is they chatted a lot and they told me, yes, get on this bus. So I might be getting a private bus back to Vadodara, or I might be getting dropped off somewhere else with another bus to catch. Who knows? It's going to be a journey. But hey, let's say goodbye to the Statue of Unity one more time. Okay, so the bus I was on caught up to another bus because the other police that I met flagged down the correct bus. So now I'm just waiting for a seat, but this one is definitely much more full. So this makes a lot more sense that this is the correct bus. Okay, so just getting ready to head to my sleeper bus shortly. Just left the bus station area here with the food court, and the new friend I made on my last bus has gone to go get his two-wheeler and is going to drop me off up the road to my next bus, my sleeper bus to Udaipur. Yeah, really nice people here in Gujarat. Everyone's been super friendly, very helpful, very nice, which is a lovely experience to have so many people just want to chat with you and help you out and get to know you, and not looking for payment, not looking for anything else. So just really friendly people here.